If we want to be able to drill up and down in the data to see how members are related to each other, we can create parent-child or level-based hierarchies both when we're acquiring the data and directly in the model. Parent-child hierarchies create a simple hierarchy between two dimensions, while level-based hierarchies can contain multiple dimensions and support more complex drilling options. Note that only one type of hierarchy can be used in the same model. In this example, the location information for our customer records is stored in separate columns that we want to link together. While we're importing the data, we can do that by adding a parent attribute to the child dimension. Note that we can't create a hierarchy of more than 2 levels using this method. For example, if we add region as the parent for location, we can't then make state the parent for region. Instead, we need to make state the parent for location and omit the region values. Notice that the icon for the state dimension has changed to indicate it's the root of a hierarchy. For details on how to further enrich and finish generating the model, refer to the videos on the relevant modeling topics. Once the model has been created, in the location dimension, we can see that a hierarchy has been created. The members from the state dimension have been added as members of this dimension, and a column indicates which state is the parent of each city. We can open the hierarchy itself, to see the members in a tree structure. We can also open the menu for the hierarchy to edit the description or delete it. We can create the same type of hierarchy directly in the model. Here, the product category and product dimensions have been created as separate dimensions, but they're levels in a hierarchy. To manually map them together, first we need to create a hierarchy for the child dimension. A name is automatically assigned. We can change it and add a description if we want. Next, we need to add the product categories to the product dimension. Here we can see that a column for the hierarchy has been added but is currently empty. In the grid, we'll add the product categories to the bottom of the list of products and then define the parent for each product using the same values. We can review the hierarchy and then save our changes. Once the hierarchies are established, they can be used to drill up and down within charts in a story. Thanks for watching.